Nice, I love them. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. You know, 2 days ago I made the carrot cake and someone on my YouTube channel said, Chef Ricardo, why I didn't cut the carrot cake? But the carrot cake was so hot and I didn't want to cut it to get it spoiled. It's good for it to cool on for a nice good 2 or 3 hours. But I'm just gonna give you an idea today with some carrot cake and ice cream with some chocolate syrup, or you can use strawberry syrup or the flavor syrup you like to use. I cut off a nice lovely thick slice of the carrot cake, guys, but I'm really sorry, I definitely didn't want to cut the carrot cake, and you know what I mean, I said to myself I should cut the carrot cake, you know, and I just don't know why I didn't cut it. But to be honest, guys, I did cut a thick slice, and this is a thick slice right here. That's the way all the carrot cake look, guys. To be honest with you, the carrot cake come out really perfect, and the way the carrot cake come out good, look at this. It almost finished already, to be honest. So definitely I want to simply say to you, the carrot cake was perfect. Basically I want to say sorry for did not cut in the carrot cake that day, but to be honest, the carrot cake come out really good. This is a carrot cake, guys, as you can see, the one which I did make about a day ago. Carrot cake finished already. My friend them come over, they like it and them just eat it, so it was just really good, brilliant. And you know what I mean, next time I will definitely cut it. I make no one get upset. But today we're going to show you can do yourself some nice lovely carrot cake and ice cream. Goes really well. And to be honest, it's just a simple idea I have, and I say I might just share it with the fans, and hopefully you guys will love it. Simple, put a little bit of syrup on top of it. Nice and lovely. So hopefully you will love it, and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this for you guys. It's just brilliant and really good. So enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much. It's just to make the guys know that I did cool on the carrot cake. I didn't cut it instantly. So this is a carrot cake, and I know it's beautiful and really nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. See you next time with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.